Today we are going to see how to install Python in macOS systems. So first we'll check whether our system has installed with Python or not. So for that what I'm doing, I'm opening my terminal. So for that I'm going to apps, and here you can search it, like you can type terminal, or you can, if available, you can click on terminal. So here what I'm doing, I'm trying to find the version by using the command like Python 3 space version. So if I enter this command, so it telling that no developer tools were found and requesting to install. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to this particular site. So I will share this particular link in my video description. Download Python, python.org. So if you come down, so here it is listed like what all the Python releases are available. So these are the Python releases are available. And if you scroll down a little, so here you can see what is the Python version, what is the latest Python version is available, and from where to where. So this is 3.9, and if you see here, the latest is 3.15, but if you see this is pre-release and it is planned in this particular year. So what is latest? We can take this one 3.14 and you can click on download. At the same time, so now what I will do, I will click on this download and it will take you to other page. And if you come down, so here the files, under files, we have three things. One is Mac OS, Windows, and source release. Under Mac OS, so here we need to select which version we need to download. So since I want Mac OS installer, so here it telling that for Mac OS 10.15 and later. And before that, what I'm going to show, so we need to install the Python version, which is convenient for DBT. So here in this video, mainly I'm going to select the version which is very supportive to DBT software. So here, if you come to this particular site like docs.getdbt.com, and under Python version, under DBT core Python version, so here Python compatibility matrix is provided. So here DBT core version. So this is the latest version is available for DBT, that is version 1.12. And for this, what all the Python versions are supported? So Python 3.14, 3.10. So that means from Python 3.10 to 3.14, any of the version is suitable. So here I'm going to select latest Python version, that is 3.14, and same if you check here at the top where we saw latest Python versions. Maybe if I go back one step back, and you can see here our latest version is 3.14. So this one and this one, it is matching. So I'm selecting latest one, so 3.14, so uh, which is suitable for latest DBT version. So if you select other than this version, other than these 3 point versions, it may not support for DBT or core version. So here, what I'm doing here, again, I'm clicking on download button. It will take you to next page. And if you come here, so Mac OS installer. So I'll click on this. So it will start to download the file. Now I will go to downloads folder, and you can see here this package, and it is straightforward. We can directly install this. So just click on continue and continue. So keep going, and Just agree this and install. Click on install and enter your password. So click on install pass software and enter the password. So okay. So now Python got installed. To verify this, so again what I'll do, I'll go to terminal again. So I will try to run the command one more time. If I enter this, so here is showing Python 3.3.14.6. So that is the version we selected. So that got installed. So that's all about this video on how to install Python, which is suitable for DBT core. So if you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.